Wake up to the sunrise glow, blue sky where the palm trees grow. Take a ride, feel the ocean breeze. Darwin's calling, come with me. Leave your worries far behind. It's a brand new state of mind. Darwin in the sun. Oh, what a place to ride.
清晨，我们依依不舍道别 Finniss River Lodge， 开车前往下一站利奇菲尔的国家公园 Litchfield National Park。车程约1小时15分钟，却想换环视如另一幅画。这座距离大鄂文近1小时车程的国家公园，是被领地最被低估的自然秘境。瀑布本流，天然水赤如翡翠般清澈，四周围绕着翻毛玉林。自1986年划为保护区后，便成为热爱大自然与冒险路人的镇爆。我们第一站来到的是旺基瀑布 （Wangi Falls）， 2道瀑布从悬崖倾斜而下，诸如一座神鹿泳池。预计是随时邦博欧有鳄鱼出没而暂停开放，但一到赶集警讯检开放后，就成为路人们的天堂。这里设有喂鱼、更衣室、野餐桌，甚至含有小池亭。你可以在瀑布下游泳，在阳光下野餐，火焰煮不到爬上瀑布顶，鸟瞰正坐玉林，呼吸自然的节奏。接着，我们来到布里岩潭 （Bully Rock）， 以一处游戏流宠刷而成的天然结体水池，水情2刺骨，却吸取旅途疲惫。你可以静静坐在岩石上，让水流按摩肩膀，也可以烫乳水中，听山林与水生地狱。这段旅程是身心的水之疗愈，每一滴瀑布，每一道溪流，像是为灵魂准备的精华意识。
Which one is bigger one? What's the size? Medium?
Oh, I need wondering what it's like on the other side.
My head that big.
With a little fear, but bigger dreams. Took a tiny step toward
SL one.
Didn't know where the road would bend, but we followed our hearts like letters never sent. Do whatever you want.
Okay.
Let your spirit
Oh,
fly.
can you get the other side?
Chase the wind, kiss the morning sky.
夜幕降临，天空燃上大鄂文特有的劲剧火红与电子。我们来到距市区近3公里的明地海滩 （Mindil Beach）， 也是全北领地最热闹的夜市所在地——明地日落世纪 （Mindil Sunset Market）。我们以月底达沙探遍，准备展开一场黄昏骆驼之路。有 Darwin Camel Rides 带领，几头骆驼静静地站在沙滩上。你需要放慢脚步，轻声靠近，然后骑上拖的背。随着拖的节奏，晃晃悠悠地走过金色海岸。这一刻，我愿意为实时。结果转头一看，沙滩上的手机镜头全对准了我。原来我不是是大家的 Instagram Reels。但没关系，这就是大鄂文式的浪漫，毫无防备的被阳光拥抱，被人群拍下，被世界纪录，然后笑一笑，继续走下去。骆驼在夕阳余晖中缓缓前行，沙滩上的光与影为这段旅程写下最柔软的篇章。
Do whatever you want. Let your heart decide. Ride the wave, take the scenic ride. Even one small step is a brand new start. Etched like a postcard on your arm. So do whatever you want. Don't wait too long. The road is calling. The world is its song. When you look back one day at the dreams.
明地日落实际从下午4点开始，超过200个摊位陆续登场。 空气中弥漫香料玉弹货气味，来自越南、印尼、斯里兰卡和希腊等地的异国料理齐聚一堂，含有当地人骄傲的 Darwin 拉萨，而我仍旧最爱家乡味的阿萨姆拉萨。那蒜拉灵魂、士兵城的，也是我内心的归属，也是除了美食，也有手作艺品与街头表演，热闹中不是在地温度。隔日清晨6点半，我骑上 Jet Ski， 准备在海上应节达尔文的最后一场日出。这是由007 Jet Ski Adventures 提供的日出体验。在当地向导带领下，我们从达尔文港一路疾驰，经过沉船、战争以及照着海平线上的第一道曙光前进。海风迎面，浪花接连，又是像007一样帅气，游士则像小枪吹风机般狼狈。我笑着吞下一口咸水，告诉自己，这就是旅行的模样。若你问我最浪漫的瞬间是什么，不是用吃早餐，也不是近距离接触鳄鱼，而是这个早晨，当我不再拍照，不再构图，只是单纯我进友们直面照样时，我知道我真的在这里。
Midnight air so cool, fading neon sign. The city's far behind, crackling through the speakers, voices lost in time. A distant song, a melody so kind. Distant radio playing through the night, echoes from a time I left behind. Soft and low through static glow, singing me a song I used to know. Wandering past the desert, signals come and go, ghostly tunes from stations long ago. Maybe someone's listening, just like me tonight, dreaming through the waves of fading light. Distant radio playing through the night, echoes from a time I left behind. Soft and low through the static glow, singing me a song I used to know. Moonlight on the dashboard, hands upon the wheel. Every note's a memory, every song feels real. No matter where I'm heading, no matter where I've been, that distant tune bring me home again. The rodeo, playing through the night, echoes from the time I left behind. Soft and low through the static glow, singing me a song I used to know. Just a suitcase and a dream. Wheels keep turning, heart is light, like a feather on a stream. Drifting with the breeze, dancing with the trees. Sunshine on my shoulders, setting my soul free. Laughing with the waves,
singing with the sea, going where the wind blows. That's the life for me. Golden fields, winding trails, every turn's a sweet surprise. Smell of pine, taste of salt, endless roads and painted skies. Leave a map, let it go, let the moment take control. With the rhythm of the road, I can feel it in my soul. Drifting with the breeze, dancing with the trees. Sunshine on my shoulders, setting my soul free. Laughing with the waves, singing with the sea, going where the wind blows. That's the life for me. Ooh, no destination, just the stars to light the way. Every mile's a melody, a brand new song to play. Dancing with the breeze, dancing with the trees. Sunshine on my shoulders, setting my soul free. Laughing with the waves, singing with the sea, going where the wind blows. That's the life for me. Going where the wind blows. That's the life for me. Drifting with the breeze, oh. Wake up to the sunrise glow, blue sky where the palm trees grow. Take a ride, feel the ocean breeze. Darwin's calling, come with me. Leave your worries far behind. It's a brand new state of mind. Darwin in the sun, oh what a place to run. Colors in the sky, we're chasing butterflies. Darwin in the sun, let's get till day is done. Freedom in the air, I'll meet you there. Market shining in the heat, tropical fruits and something sweet. Watch the sunset paint the bay, let the stars come out to play. Feel the music, feel alive. Darwin days, the sweetest vibe. Darwin in the sun, oh what a place to run. Colors in the sky, we're chasing butterflies. Darwin in the sun, let's dance till day is done. Freedom's in the air, I'll meet you there. By the water, by the shore, I could stay forever. Catch a wave, catch a smile, let's get lost a little while. Darwin in the sun, oh what a place to run. Colors in the sky, we're chasing